What if I told you that your birthday is a lie? That the number of candles on your cake is nothing more than a record of how many times the Earth has gone around the sun? It has almost nothing to do with how old your body actually is. You feel tired, your joints ache, your brain feels foggy, and you've accepted this as just getting older. What if that's wrong?
Okay, Dr. Rostava, you have my full attention. My birthday is a lie. I feel older every single day, and I just assume the number is the reason. What are you saying?
I'm saying you have two ages, Leo. The first is your chronological age, that's the candle number, and it's fixed. The second, and the only one that truly matters, is your biological age. This is the real age of your cells, your organs, and your immune system. And the most exciting discovery in modern medicine is that your biological age is not fixed. It is profoundly malleable. You can slow it down, you can stop it, and in many cases, you can actually reverse it.
Reverse my biological age? That sounds like science fiction. The longevity advice out there is so complex. Cryotherapy, dozens of expensive supplements, extreme diets, it's overwhelming.
That's the burnout culture of longevity. It's all wrong. It's based on hustle. The real science, the science that actually moves the needle, is the science of slowing down. It's about sending specific, gentle signals of safety and repair to your body. Your biological age is measured by things like inflammation, your metabolic health, and most importantly, the length of your telomeres.
Telomeres? I've heard that word. They're like the little plastic caps at the end of shoelaces, but on our DNA, right?
A perfect analogy. These telomeres protect your DNA. Every time your cells divide, they get a little bit shorter. Shorter telomeres mean faster aging, cellular breakdown, and higher risk of disease. The secret isn't a magic pill. It's a set of 5 simple daily habits that protect and even help rebuild your telomeres. And the first one isn't about what you eat, but when you eat. Let's start with habit number 1, the 12-hour sync, meal timing.
So this is intermittent fasting. It always sounded so intense.
Forget the intense 18-hour fast. This is simpler and for many more sustainable. We're just talking about a 12-hour eating window and a 12-hour fasting window. For example, finish dinner at 7 p.m. and don't eat again until 7 a.m. That's it.
How can just 12 hours make a difference?
Because it flips a powerful anti-aging switch in your body called autophagy. Autophagy is your body's cellular cleanup crew. During this fasting period, your cells literally seek out and consume old, damaged, and dysfunctional parts, the junk that accelerates aging. If you are constantly grazing or eating for 15 to 16 hours a day, this cleanup crew never gets a chance to work. A simple 12-hour fast aligned with your circadian rhythm is the most powerful signal for cellular repair you can send your body each day. Habit number 2, the 20-minute brisk walk. Mitochondrial biogenesis.
Okay, get your 10,000 steps. We've all heard that. It's so basic.
And it's mediocre advice. The type of walking matters far more than the total number of steps. I'm not talking about a slow meander. I'm talking about a 20-minute brisk walk.
How brisk is brisk?
A pace where you could still hold a conversation, but you couldn't easily sing. This specific pace, around 3 to 4 miles per hour, is a powerful signal. It tells your mitochondria, your cellular power plants, that energy demand is high. In response, your body doesn't just make your existing mitochondria stronger, it creates brand new ones. This is called mitochondrial biogenesis. More mitochondria equals more cellular energy, equals a younger biological age. A 20-minute focused brisk walk is more powerful for your mitochondria than a 90-minute slow stroll. Habit number 3, the 5-minute connection, the telomere protector.
Okay, this one hooked me. How can my friends make my cells younger? This feels very soft science.
It's the softest science with the hardest, most profound data. We know that the number 1 accelerator of aging, the thing that shreds your telomeres faster than almost anything, is chronic stress. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is a poison to your cells over time. And what is the single most powerful, evolutionarily consistent buffer against stress?
Other people?
Meaningful social connection. Studies from researchers like Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, who won the Nobel Prize for discovering telomeres, are clear. Chronic loneliness, perceived isolation, and high conflict relationships are directly linked to shorter telomeres. Conversely, positive, supportive social interactions are a direct biochemical intervention. That 5-minute phone call to a friend, that hug, that moment you truly listen to someone, that's not just nice. It's a powerful signal to your nervous system that you are safe, which lowers cortisol and protects your DNA. Don't just like their post, call them. It's an anti-aging protocol. Habit number 4, the 4-8 breath, the vagal tone tune-up.
This sounds like another stress reduction thing.
It's the mechanism for stress reduction. You can't just decide to be less stressed. You have to speak your body's language. This is a 2-minute slowing down habit. Simple. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8.
Why the long exhale?
The long exhale is everything. It is a direct signal to your vagus nerve, which is the master nerve of your parasympathetic or rest and digest system. This is the literal physical brake pedal for your fight or flight stress response. Doing this 4 to 8 breath for just 2 to 3 minutes sends a wave of calm through your body, dials down cortisol, and improves your vagal tone. High vagal tone is one of the strongest markers of a low biological age. Habit number 5, the consistent anchor, the master repair cycle.
Okay, get 8 hours of sleep. We know.
Again, that's level 1 advice. The real anti-aging hack isn't just the duration of your sleep, it's the consistency. Your biological age is far better served by 7 hours every single night, say 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., than by 5 hours on weekdays and 10 hours on weekends.
Why? Isn't 7 hours just 7 hours? I thought I could catch up on the weekend.
Catching up is a myth. Your body runs on a strict 24-hour circadian rhythm. Your most powerful anti-aging and repair processes, like the release of growth hormone and deep cellular cleansing, are scheduled to happen at specific times, usually in the first half of the night. If you go to bed 3 hours late, you simply miss that scheduled repair window. You can't get it back. A consistent sleep and wake time, even on weekends, is the most powerful signal of predictability you can send your body. It allows that deep repair to happen every single night, which is the ultimate anti-aging habit.
This is incredibly simple, but not in a basic way. It's profoundly simple. A 12-hour fasting window, a 20-minute brisk walk, a 5-minute call to a friend, a 2-minute breathing exercise, and a consistent bedtime. This isn't a complex, expensive protocol. This is just living more intentionally.
That is the science of slowing down. It's not about adding more stress, more hacks, more hustle. It's about removing the static and sending consistent, gentle signals of safety, repair, and energy to your cells. That is what protects your telomeres. That is what reverses your biological age.
This is the most valuable and doable health advice I've ever heard.
So here's your challenge. To everyone listening, do not try all 5. That's the old way. Pick one, just one of these habits that resonated with you. Master it for 1 week.
Which one will it be? Are you committing to the 12-hour sync or the brisk walk or maybe the 5-minute connection? Let us know in the comments which one habit you're choosing.
If this episode gave you a new, simpler perspective on your health, hit that like button, subscribe to Wellness Waves, and share this with someone you love, because now you know that connection is literally protecting their DNA. Be well.